Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed image formation by concave mirror. So, in the today's class, we have to discuss image formation by convex lens. We discussed three rules for drawing ray diagrams. Using any two of the three rules, we can draw image formation diagrams of convex lens. In the first case, object is placed at infinity. First case, object at infinity. First we draw a convex mirror. This line is called the principal axis. It is O. This is F1. So similar to this distance, this is 2F1. Or the distance between O and F1 and the distance between F1 and 2F1 should be equal. Here is F2 to F2. In the first case, object is placed at infinity here. Object is placed at infinity. We know what is the first rule. The ray parallel to the principal axis, after refraction, it passes through the focus. First rule. Okay. Again, we can use the first rule. The ray parallel to the principal axis, after refraction, it passes through the focus. So, image is formed at the focus. Here, image is formed. Here is the object. When object is placed at infinity, image is formed at the focus. This image is real and inverted. Okay, it is highly diminished and point sized. Point sized. Okay, so when object is placed at infinity, where image is formed? Image is formed at the focus. This image is real, inverted, highly diminished and point sized. Okay. Then second case, object beyond 2F2. Object beyond 2F2. First we draw a convex lens. This line is called a principal axis. Point O, F1, 2F1, F2, 2F2. Where object is placed? Object is placed beyond 2F2. Here is beyond 2F2. This is the object. So we can use first rule. What is the first rule? A ray parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it passes through the focus. First rule. Next, we can use any one of the other rules. So we can use here third rule. a ray which passes through the optical center, it passes without any deviation. Where image is formed? Image is formed here. Here the image is formed. So when object is placed beyond 2f2, image is formed between f1 and 2f1. What are the image properties? It is diminished. Image is diminished. Image is diminished. Next, it is real. Real and inverted. Real and inverted. Okay, so when object is placed beyond 2f, image is formed between f and 2f1. The image is diminished. Its nature is real and inverted. This is the second case. Okay, so what is the first case? Object is placed at infinity. So here object is placed at infinity. The ray is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, all refracted rays are meeting at a point on the focus. So image is formed at the focus. This image is real, inverted, highly diminished and point sized. In the second case, what is the second case? Object is placed beyond 2f. Beyond 2f. So here object is placed beyond 2f1 or beyond 2f2. Okay, beyond 2f1, image is formed between f and 2f. Here also image is real and inverted. It is also diminished. Okay, so next is third case. Third case, object is placed at 2f. Object is placed at 2f. So, a convex mirror. This line is called principal axis. This point is O. Here, f1, 2f1, f2, 2f2. These two distances are equal. Where object is placed? Object is placed at 2f or 2f1 or 2f2. At 2f. So first rule, a ray parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it passes through the focus. Passes through the focus. Next, second rule, a ray which passes through the focus, after refraction it passes parallel to the principal axis. Parallel to the principal. Where image is formed? Image is formed here. Image is formed at 2f. When object is placed at 2f, image is also formed at 2f. Here image is real. Real and inverted. And same size. Same size image is formed. So in the third case, object is placed at 2f, where image is formed. Image is also formed at 2f on the other side of the convex lens. Here also object image is real, inverted and the size of the image is same as that of the size of the object. So, third case, object is placed at 2f. Object is placed at 2f. Image is also formed at 2f. Here, we uses two rules. What are the two rules? One is first rule and third rule. Okay, so in the previous case we used two rules, first rule and second rule. So we can draw these ray diagrams using any two rules of the convex lens. Okay, so today we discussed three ray diagrams. First one, when object is placed at infinity, image is formed at the focus. This image is highly diminished and point sized. It is real and inverted. In the second case, object is placed beyond 2f. So image is formed between f and 2f. Here image is diminished, real and inverted. Okay, then object distance is denoted as u. U means object distance, v image distance, f focal length. In the third case, object is placed at 2f, image is also formed at 2f. So real and inverted image is formed, size of the image is same as that of the size of the objects. Okay, so today we can conclude our class. Okay, so you should draw these ray diagrams to the notebook and study it very well. Okay, thank you.